Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 18th of March, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 18th of March, 2025, our system has categorized Rigetti Computing as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.91. Let's examine the stock's performance over this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is positioned in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that a further decline within this trend is likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 26.2% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -86.15% and +10.15%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 111.05%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 3.59% to 360.01% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price within a range of $10.63 to $47.20. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, High Volatility in Rigetti Computing Incorporated Stock Price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $10.26. The Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price fell by 8.06% on the last day, Tuesday, the 18th of March, 2025, from $11.16 to $10.26. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 12.93%, reaching a day low of $9.90 and a day high of $11.18. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 30.53% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased on the last day along with the stock price, which is actually a positive sign, as volume should typically follow stock movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 24 million shares, with a total of 67 million shares bought and sold for approximately $690 million and $8,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $21.42, while the lowest price was 66 cents. Currently, the price is 52.10%, or $11.16, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing stock, trading under the symbol RGTI, is currently experiencing notable fluctuations, with recent developments indicating both short-term volatility and long-term potential. As of the 18th of March, 2025, the stock traded at $11.16, reflecting a slight decline of 0.53%. However, on the upside, analysts have upgraded their rating on Rigetti, aligning with the company's trajectory in the rapidly evolving quantum computing landscape. The market for quantum computing is anticipated to shift from a total addressable market of $1 to $2 billion by 2030 to an impressive $15 to $30 billion by 2040. Rigetti is on target to hit significant technology milestones, including the achievement of a 36-qubit system by the second quarter of this year, with ambitions for a 108-qubit system by the fourth quarter. This progress underpins confidence in their innovative capabilities, even amidst challenges such as a reported 32% revenue decline year over year. The recent uptick in interest in quantum computing stocks, spurred by broader market recoveries, has positioned RGTI alongside other trending tech investments. Investor sentiment is bolstered by expectations surrounding major players like NVIDIA, which may catalyze growth in quantum-related sectors. In the long term, as the company continues its research and development efforts and secures key partnerships, the expected advancements could provide significant upside potential for the stock price, despite the cautious short-term outlook due to heavy losses and liquidity concerns. Overall, While RGTI may experience volatility, its strategic positioning in a burgeoning market suggests a compelling investment opportunity for those looking towards the future of quantum technology. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley also assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, it was reported that Craig Hallam gave RGTI a buy grade with an initiate action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley gave RGTI a buy grade with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a rating of strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, and these may influence the near-term development. Rigetti Computing Inc. stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in an overarching sell signal, which presents a more negative forecast for the stock. In the event of further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $10.68. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $9.47. A breakout through the long-term average will generate an additional buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average will reinforce a sell signal and intensify the general outlook. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 2nd, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 48.7%. A further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been identified. Additionally, volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 51 days ago. Bollinger revealed a buy signal 104 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average pointed to a sell signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 26 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average displayed a buy signal 104 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 97 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $10.04. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant daily movement, indicating volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.28 between its high and low, which represents a change of 12.93%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 14.17%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through difficult periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are currently at -5 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing stands at $10.94. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Rigetti Computing faces its first support level at $10.04. If this support level holds, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is classified as a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of March, 2025, Rivas David executed an insider sale of 275,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, McCarthy Cathy L. engaged in an insider sale of 150,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Bertelsen Jeffrey A. conducted an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 10th of March, 2025, Rivas David also conducted an insider purchase of 200,000 shares of common stock. On the 11th of March, 2025, Rivas David executed another insider sale of 351,785 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 7.503. Overall, insiders acquired a total of 8,244,014 shares and sold 5,229,290 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good investment? Rigetti Computing Inc. displays several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative assessment of this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 19th of March, we anticipate that Rigetti Computing will open higher by approximately 187/10,000ths of a dollar, commencing trading at $10.45. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from everyone here at StockInvest.